Hello, once again, YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet, make sure you tap that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you will receive notifications every time I make a post. All right, so here we go. We got some positive news coming in about the epidemic that's been going on, not here just in America, but all over the world. But the sad thing about it is that the situation did start actually over in China, but it's the worst in the world here in the United States. So, Mark Zuckerberg and his wife Priscilla Chan, they have teamed up with Bill Gates and Melinda Gates for a foundation contributing $25 million with Gates and also others to begin exploring possible treatments and cures for the COVID 19. So they actually had a sit down talk with no other than Miss Gail King about the efforts that they're going to be putting together to try to come against and find a cure for this virus. So I'm not going to be able to just play everything because this is coming by way of CBS News. Shout out to CBS News, by the way. So I'm just going to play a little snippet. You guys just take a listen, and then afterwards, I'm going to give my opinion for sure. So take a listen to this coming from out of CBS News.
Country, the United States has more than 85,000 coronavirus cases now. That is the most in the world.
Among those helping to battle the pandemic are Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg and his wife, Dr. Priscilla Chan. In an exclusive interview, Zuckerberg told us about his company's role in the fight. This morning, the couple is also announcing that their charitable group, the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, is partnering with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation on possible treatments.
You know, when we interviewed you a few months ago about CZI, one of the things you said that stood out to me, guys, was what we'd like to do is eliminate all disease in our children's lifetime. Boy, you certainly couldn't have seen anything like this coming. What are you doing specifically to advance that?
I'm really proud to share that CZI is going to be joining Gates and others to put together something they're calling the Therapeutics Accelerator to fight coronavirus. They're going to fund a group to screen all of the drugs that we know have potential effects against coronavirus. Figuring out drugs is always expensive, but philanthropy can do a role in kickstarting this. So we're going to be contributing $25 million with Gates and others to be able to get this started quickly and now.
Part of the idea here is that often a drug can be helpful against multiple diseases. So you can basically take all those drugs that have already been screened as safe and test them to see if they might also have a positive impact for either preventing the coronavirus or reducing the symptoms and making it less damaging.
Mark, I look at Facebook, the company, you've got something like 45,000 people who are now working at home. Please tell me the challenges of working with that.
We basically have asked everyone to stay home. And even if you can't practically do your work from home, we're going to make sure that you get paid in full for your time through this period. And I hope that can set an example for some of the other companies out there.
But Mark, we don't know how long this period's going to be.
That's true. But
Exactly. We don't know. We actually don't know
All of the
how
people
long it's
involved.
going to be. And, that's the scary thing about it. We don't know how long it's going to be and how long this is going to last. But I can say this is, it's seeming to be, at this point, a very positive step towards trying to resolve a worldwide problem that's getting worse over here in the United States. So I'm most definitely appreciating the effort that these two gentlemen, Mark Zuckerberg, his wife, and also Bill Gates and his wife, that they're putting together to try to find a treatment and a cure for this situation. But my question to you guys, and this is just honest, from person to person, do you all actually trust them? Looking at the Bill Gates, he was the one that kind of predicted the situation. When it comes to, Mark Zuckerberg, he's up with the up highs and he's a part of the 1% that's in the power. He's over Facebook, one of the biggest social media sites in the world. He's over Instagram, I believe. But what do you guys think about this situation? Are you feeling good about it? Are you feeling like don't trust them? What do you think? Please drop your comments as long as it's respectful and in YouTube guidelines. Drop your comments about this situation. Please make sure you stay tuned to Katie Talk 101. And as usual, I'm Katie and I'm talking. Please stay safe, healthy, and I love you, YouTube. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed and stay safe.